Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and welcome to my channel for all my newbies, and welcome back to all of those who've been ride and die. So anyway, I am here with some goodies, some little happy mail, some thankfulness that I'm excited to get. Wasn't really expecting. I did get a DM that I was going to get something, but this first one is from Flechia. She sent me something. I'm going to see what it is. She was my winner from my Dollar Tree, and this is from FP Handmade. She sent me this. It's nice and sturdy. But I love what it says on the back. It says, seals with adhesive, spit free. I thought it was a cute little stamp. I hadn't seen that before. So I'm going to open this up and see what it is that she sent me. And thank you so much for sending me this. You didn't have to send me anything. I appreciate you staying along and watching my channel and interest in the Dollar Tree collab and everything. So thank you so much. Oh, this card is so sturdy. Look at this. It said thanks. Love it, love it. And you can see the dimension on it. It says you're the best, Dawn. Thank you so much for the large box of goodies, Flechia. I hope I saying your name right, Flechia. Beautiful. Thank you so much. I love this. I love the layers on it. And these are my colors too. I love that. So thank you. You're more than welcome. Thank you for participating and playing along. I appreciate that. And then Ty from Ty's Crafty thought she was my first winner. But she was my second one, but she was my first, and her stuff got lost, and then it finally got there. But anyway, she had told me she wanted to send me something, and you didn't have to send me anything, Ty, but thank you so much. And, oh, I feel some goodies in here. I just opened it up. It says, dream, believe, do, and repeat. I like that. Where did you get that tape from? Ooh, some goodies in here. Oh, and I see my colors. Oh, thank you. So she sent me these little banner tags. I love these. Hello, darling. Absolutely fabulous. Look at the lipstick, and you are beautiful. Love that. Oh, look, she sent me a big die. I love this. Thank you. Yes, and I can make me a little mini album out of that. I love that heart. Thank you. And you can layer it and make it a shaker too. Thank you so much for that. And you see some little bobs. What do you call them? Little pieces. I forgot the names of them. I love these little flat back little gemstones. And they are in my color because I don't have any in red. I only had a few in clear. I don't even know if I have any more left. Uh-oh. Some confetti. Uh-oh, I got me one of those little... Oh. Don't worry, I'm going to pick them up. I'm going to get all of them. The little mini pom-poms, my little bits in this little, the little mug. What do you call it? You know what I'm talking about. The little, the little mug thing. What do you call it? There we go. Yay! So cute, and I love the colors. You know that. Yes, for sure. And you can see in there too, there are some lips. Oh, lips in there. Love it. Love that mixture. Some red lips. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. So cute. Love that tie. Yes, yes. You know I love me some red, black. Right up my alley. Thank you so much. Got some clothespins in here and some more that I can definitely use this and some glitter. And then we also have some little pom-pom trim as well. So thank you so much. And I will get all that up. This is so sweet of you. And then we got a little goodie bag right here. Look at the little tassel. Oh my goodness, you sent me a lot of stuff. Some more little beads in there. So she sent me this Memento stamp set with the bike, and I don't have this one so perfect, and this has the typewriter on it. I'm gonna hold it to you in just a second so you can see it. It's got the bird cage. It's thinking of you. Thank you so very much, Dream. Bonjour. Just for you. And hello, friend. I actually don't think I saw this one in my Tuesday morning. So perfect. Thank you. And this says, this is how I roll. I love that. It's too cute. I hadn't seen that one. And look at the tassel on it. Pretty, pretty. Love that. This is a nice bookmark. My friend just got her glow forge. That'd be a neat idea. She can make some of that on her glow forge. And this is Yarnology. This is the keychain for some yarn. Because you know we got to have our yarn. Oh, I don't have any Sherry Barley. Oh, can't talk. Sherry Baldies are my bestie stamp sets. I don't have any of these, so perfect. Oh, my first ones. Look at that. So this one is, they have names, okay, yes. Pippi. And then this one is Blakely and Fairy. So I don't have either one of those. I don't have any. So let me say that clear. I don't have any of those Sherry Baldies. So thank you. So congrats and thank you. I do have one of these. I think I may have one of these or both of these, I think. I have to see. I think I do. I'm pretty sure I have the congrats. I'm not sure about the thank you, but I think I may have both of those. Oh, here's some more. And this one is, but thank you so much for that. And then this is Bestie's Wee Winged One. And this is, have a name on this one. And she has the big hat on, so you can see those as well. So I had to try to color those out. Thank you so much. That was so sweet of you. You didn't have to do that, Ty. That was so kind of you. Uh-oh, we see some more red in the house. This is my first. I haven't even made mine yet. I got all the stuff. My first focus roll. Thank you. And look, it's got the, I love that. Okay, got the crown. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you. Thank you. Should have my nails done. Thank you. That's my first one. I love it. And you see my colors. And a pen. And now I'm supposed to be making some of these. I have this in my cart to order the pens. Love it, love it. Thank you so much. I love this. Oh, look. Got me a dangle with a bow. Thank you so much. All of these in my favorite colors. And then I got me one with my name on it. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so, so, so much. That was so sweet of you. You didn't have to do that. I love all of this. Thank you so much. And to get them in my colors, it's, you know, that much special. Look at that. Happy time. Oh, I love that. I love that seal. I should open this up first. I'm sorry. I was getting so excited. So it says thanks. I love this. Thanks, darling. Oh, that's stitched up there, too. That's material. Yes, I love everything. It says Happy Mother's Day as well. Thank you so much, Ty. I love everything. This was so generous, so kind, and I love all the handmade stuff. It's so beautiful. I cannot complain. I'm so happy. So y'all go check out both of their channels. Will be in the description box. Both of them are talented. She makes a lot of cards, so you can check out. She makes really nice cards too. So check out her channel as well. And Ty, she does a lot of dangles and charms and a lot of different stuff as well, a lot of paper crafts. Both of them do that, so check them out. You will not be disappointed. They're talented ladies. I'm so thankful that you guys watch my channel and participate, and I'm sending everybody your way, sending you love. Thank you, ladies, and thank you everybody else for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I dare you to check out their channels, like and subscribe, and tell them I sent you, and for you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.